it. Why do we need this much rain this early in the morning? Going down these back roads, but I tell you, you got to do it slow and steady. If you do not want to run off into the fields or the wind that, yeah, I pass by most times, but it is coming down. And it's only 7:18. Why? I just don't understand it at all. Like, I really do not. I shouldn't have to, go home like this. Like, it's the traffic. It's not much, but, oh, yeah, you see that nice house over there. One day that'll be something like mine. So this is what it is. I can't see much. As you can see that it's the rain. You can't even see the lines on the road. Look. Hopefully it eases up soon. They be driving in the rain with no freaking nothing. And it's coming down, Lord. It's coming down. 7 o'clock in the morning. Been raining for hours now. Very much so hours.